some common squash problems many home gardeners probably are seeing this time of year in their garden. As you can see here, we have several lovely squash plants that are planted right here in the Botanic Gardens at LSU AgCenter at Burden in the children's garden. The foliage is nice and green and lush, except for every now and then you'll see a few leaves that just look like this, blotchy yellow leaves. What we're seeing here is a magnesium deficiency, commonly cured by your everyday household Epsom salts. 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt per plant, applied anywhere around the plant. It does not have to be around the entire plant, just placed next to it, but not right at the base of the plant, and immediately watered in will cure this problem right here. We may not see some of these older leaves darken up, and if in a week or two you don't pinch them off, apply 1 more tablespoon of Epsom salts, water in, and the rest of the foliage will continue to stay nice and dark green. We have one other problem I'd like to show you today, and that is some pollination issues. Right here we have the ends of the squash starting to rot. That is not because of blossom end rot as commonly seen in tomatoes and other fruit. This is when the whole flower is not all the way pollinated, and so the squash will not form. You can tell the difference because the whole entire squash is wrinkly all the way up to the top. Blossom end rot would be firm at the top and wrinkly just at the bottom. You can salvage this problem by planting flowers in the garden and attracting as many pollinators as possible. For Get It Growing, I'm Kiki Fontenot with the LSU AgCenter.